Speaking during bilateral conversation with the police Deputy Prime Minister Radoslav Sikorski in New Delhi, S. Jaishankar, External Affairs Minister, said Poland was well aware of South Asia's long-standing challenge of cross-border terrorism and must adapt a zero-tolerance approach, urging Poland to ensure that it does not directly or indirectly contribute to the growth of terrorist networks in India's neighborhood. Jaishankar also referred to recent discussions in New York last September and Paris earlier this month, where he had clearly conveyed India's position on the Ukraine conflict and its broader implications. He reiterated that selective targeting of India, including through economic measures, was unfair and unjustified. Responding to the remarks, Sikorski said he fully agreed on the need to counter transnational and cross-border terrorism, noting that Poland itself has recently faced incidents including arson attacks and an attempted act of state terrorism involving a railway line. The Polish Deputy Prime Minister also echoed concerns of selective tariff actions, warning that such practices could lead to global trade instability, adding that Europe has direct experience with these challenges. Sikorski welcomed India's growing diplomatic engagement in Europe, pointing to New Delhi's expanding embassy network across the continent as a sign of seriousness in strengthening ties with the European Union.